Lavender Castle, a place of legend, fabled right across the universe. This is our quest to find it.
This is Dr. Aegon calling Short Fred Led. Report to the dump station immediately.
I'm on my way, sir. I'm on my way.
And so, you see, I'd like you to come straight away.
Wow, the big man himself. I better take him some of my best dank juice.
And I would consider it an honor if you could attend.
Dr. Aegon, I had better watch my steps.
And so you see, gentlemen, try as I may, I have been unable to destroy the Paradox and Lavender Castle.
I once caught the Paradox in a trap. I took over a supermarket. Once inside, they were at my mercy.
You will please put your hands on your heads.
Excellent!
Just a minute, Colonel.
What? The robot was cold, and my infrared vision was useless.
Mr. Roger, Miss Leica, go back to the ship. Hurry!
But Squeaky...
Don't worry, Mr. Roger. He can't see me. Over here, Colonel. I'm sorry, Colonel, but you missed.
Just one thing before you go.
Oh, heck.
Now you are just another specimen for my collection!
Not quite, Colonel.
What? You've scrambled my sandwich! Stop! Stop! Stop!
So, you failed to capture them?
Yes, but one day I will destroy the Paradox and its crew! And that is an order!
Excellent.
Well, I managed to capture the Paradox single-handed. Well, for a while anyway. You see, I tricked the crew and captured them. Then I captured the Paradox.
He's gonna take our ship.
What shall we do with the crew of the Paradox? What shall we do with the crew of the Paradox? What shall we do with the crew of the Paradox? They'll all be dead by morning.
Come on. Oh, it's no use, Izzy. It doesn't work.
It's working! It does work!
Well done, Rog. Now, you know what to do.
Here! What's going on?
Now, these buttons are for diving.
What's going on?
And these are for climbing. And this one must be for rolling.
Abandoned ship!
And then they captured you?
Well, I to know they had a remote thingy.
I nearly won their spaceship with my banjo. One day they landed in the swamp right outside my shack.
Over here!
We've run out of fuel and we're sinking. We need your help.
You surely do, but you ain't getting it. Anyways, I gotta go. And I'm defending my title at the old Quagmire banjo picking contest. And I'm a dead cert to win again.
No, don't go. I bet I could beat you, and I'm challenging you to a contest.
I'd say you're cruising for bruising, Captain. But seeing as I'm a gentleman, I'm gonna let you go first.
Very well.
Not bad for an amateur. But here, let me show you how it's really done. Yeah, 99! Woo-wee, a new personal best.
Captain, I'd say it's time for Plan B.
I don't know, Isambard. It's a long shot.
You can do it, Captain.
Seems our Captain Thrice has hidden talents.
Well, I sure am gonna get even with him one day.
Excellent. Gentlemen, together we could defeat the Paradox and find the elusive Lavender Castle.
Defeat the Paradox and find Lavender Castle.
Defeat the Paradox and find the Lavender Castle.
Deflee the parrot and flush out the lavatory.
We will be vigilant, forever scanning the space skies, never missing so much as a glimpse.